Hey there, Ivana here with Soci Masters, and in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Warrior Plus bonuses, because whenever we recommend one of the Warrior Plus offers, people ask us how to get access to it. So I thought this would be useful for you. Once you make your purchase, you are going to get a receipt from Warrior Plus. That is where you need to go in to access the product. Once you do that, you need to go to access your purchase here. Once you do that, you have access your purchase, which is the product that you purchased. And then you're looking for this blue button right here that says access affiliate bonus. This is the one that's going to open the link to the affiliate bonuses that you've actually got from the affiliate for purchasing through that affiliate link. Also right below, normally you will have recommendation from this seller if you wanted to try something else, but obviously the first one is this one that you really need to check out. Okay, that's it. I know this is short but helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.